My dear students, good morning. So today we are going to discuss again properties of triangle, which contains third hour, and there is one more hour also, because for properties of triangle is a very important topic. I told you that now that it is allotted 4 hours. So during the 4 hours, we want to complete at least 100 problems, including heights and distances. Right. 55, problem number 55. In an acute angled triangle ABC, sigma cot B cot C equals -1, 2, 0, 3, 1, 4, 2. So in any triangle ABC, we have tan A plus tan B plus tan C is equal to tan A, tan B, tan C. That is a standard property regarding tan A, tan B, tan C in any triangle. So in any triangle, or A plus B plus C is equal to 180. So tan A plus tan B plus tan C is always equal to tan A, tan B, tan C. Now divide, because it is an acute angle triangle, none of tan A, tan B, tan C is 0. So therefore, you can divide throughout by tan A, tan B, tan C. So that dividing with tan A, tan B, tan C, we have cot B, cot C plus cot C, cot A plus cot A, cot B is equal to 1. So answer number, option number 3, 56. In a triangle ABC, if A cos square C by 2 plus C cos square A by 2 is equal to 3B by 2, then the side of the triangle or sides of the triangle are in AP, 2 GP, 3 HP, 4 AGP. The AGP means arithmetical geometrical progression. This is asked in EAPCET 2011. Now, regarding solution, 3b by 2 is equal to a cos square c by 2 plus c cos square a by 2. Now, you know that cos square theta is equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. So, therefore, this is equal to a into 1 plus cos c by 2 plus c into 1 plus cos a by 2. So, that is half of a plus c plus b, because by projection rule, b is equal to a cos c plus c cos a. So, the answer half of a plus b plus c means yes, or that is equal to, sorry, this is equal to 3b by 2. So, therefore, 2b is equal to a plus c. That means b, a, b, c are in arithmetic progression. So, correct answer is option number 1. If in triangle ABC, delta is equal to a square minus of b minus c whole square, then tan A equals 1 by 16, 2, 3, 8 by 15, 3 by 4 by 3, EAPCET 2010, that is. Now you know that in any triangle ABC, Hero's formula gives you that square root of s into s minus c into s minus b into s minus c is equal to this is a square minus b minus c whole square is equal to delta, that is equal to a plus b minus c into c plus a minus b, which is 4 into s minus c into s minus a, because a plus b minus c is 2s into 2s minus c, 2c, and c plus a minus b is 2s minus 2b. So, that is why 4 into s minus c into s minus b. So, therefore, square root of s into s minus a is equal to 4 into square root of s minus b into s minus c, or root over s minus b into s minus c by s into s minus a is equal to 1 by 4. So, that indicates that, but square root of s minus b into s minus c by s into s minus c is nothing but tan a by 2. Half of the angle is formula. So, it is tan a by 2. So, tan a by 2 is 1 by 4. So, tan a is equal to, we know tan 2a formula, 2 tan a by 1 plus 1 minus tan square a by 2. So, therefore, tan a is equal to 2 tan a by 2 by 1 minus tan square a by 2. That is 2 into minus 1 by 4 by 1 minus 1 by 16. So, which is nothing but 8 by 15. So, correct answer is option number 2. So, 58. In triangle ABC, if C is equal to, angle C is equal to 90 degrees, then a square minus b square by a square plus b square equals 1 sin a plus b, 2 sin a minus b, 3 cos A plus B, 4 cos A minus B. This is again EAPCET 2010. So A square plus B square is equal to C square, because it's a right angle at C. So A square plus B square is equal to C square. That is A square minus B square by A square plus B square. So therefore A square minus B square by A square plus B square is equal to sin square A minus sin square B by sin square C, because A square plus B square is equal to C square, and A is equal to 2r sin A, B is equal to 2r sin B, C is equal to 2r sin C. And because it's a right angle triangle, A square plus B square is equal to C square. So in the denominator, you will get C square. So A square minus B square by A square plus B square is nothing but sin square A minus sin square B by sin square C. And sin square A minus sin square B is sin A plus B into sin A minus B. So by sin square C. So which is nothing but sin of A minus B, since C is equal to 90 degrees is equal to A plus B. So therefore, correct answer is option number 2. Right, 59. The sum of the angles of elevations of the top of a tower from two fixed points distant at a distance of A and B from the base and in the same straight line with it is 90 degrees. Then the height of the tower is 1 A square B, 2 AB square, 3 root AB, and 4 AB. Now here please see. So BA is the tower. Suppose BA is the tower, and from P and Q, if you observe, we are supposing that the angles of elevation of A as alpha and beta respectively. See the diagram. So from this sine angle BPA is alpha, angle BQA is beta. Now alpha plus beta is equal to 90 degrees. That implies tan alpha plus tan beta by 1 minus tan alpha tan beta is equal to infinity. So that means tan alpha tan beta is equal to 1. Tan alpha tan beta is equal to 1 implies AB by A, and if you use tan theta definition, AB by A into AB by B is equal to 1, or AB square is equal to AB, or AB is equal to square root of AB, small a, small AB. So that is A. AB means tower height. That is nothing, that is equal to square root of AB. So correct option is answer number 3. In triangle ABC, A into B cos C minus C cos B equals 1 B square plus C square, 2 B square minus C square, 3 1 by B plus 1 by A, 4 1 by B square minus 1 by C square. EAPCET 2009. Now A into B cos C minus C cos B same as is equal to, if you multiply AB cos C minus CA cos B. But AB cos C is cosine rule, half of A square plus B square minus C square, and minus half of C square plus A square minus B square using cosine formula. So that is half of 2B square minus 2C square, which is B square minus C square. So the correct answer is option number 2, 61. P is a point on the segment joining the feet of the vertices, vertical poles of length A and B. The angles of elevation of the tops of the poles from P are 45 degrees each. Then the segment, then the square of the distance between the tops of the two poles is 1 A square plus B square by 2, A square plus B square, 2 into A square plus B square, and 4 into A square minus B square. See the diagram. So in the diagram, B1A1 is one pole and B2A2 is another pole. We have taken B1A1 is equal to small a, B2A2 is equal to small b. Now use tan 45. Tan 45 is equal to 1 implies PB1 is equal to small a. And similarly, tan 45 is equal to, you know that A2 B2 by PB2. So which gives you PB2 is equal to B, small b. Now A1, A3 is equal to B1, B2. A1, A3 is equal to B1, B2. Because this is a rectangle. A1, A3 is equal to B1, B2. So therefore, B1P that is equal to B1P plus PB2, which is small a plus b. And similarly, A2, A3. A2, A3 is equal to A2, B2 minus A3, B2, which is small b minus a. So therefore, A1, A2 whole square is equal to A1, A2 whole square plus A2, A3 whole square, which is a plus b whole square plus b minus a whole square. And the answer is 2 into a square plus b square. So the correct option is option number 3. Observe the following statements. Please see. 1. The triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, b cos square c by 2 plus c cos square a by b by 2 is equal to small s. And the second statement, in triangle ABC, cot a by 2 is equal to b plus c by 2 implies b is equal to 90 degrees. That is second statement. Now, which of the following are correct? Both 1 and 2 are true. 1 is true and 2 is false. 3, 1 is false and 2 is true. And both 1 and 2 are false. Answer 2008. So now first statement we will verify. What is the first statement? B cos square c by 2 plus c cos square b by 2 is equal to, you are given b into 1 plus cos a by 2 plus c into 1 plus cos b by 2. So that is half of b plus c plus b cos c plus c cos b, which is nothing but b plus c by, because b cos c plus c cos a is nothing but small, c cos b is small a, projection formula. So that is nothing but b plus c plus a by 2, which is nothing but semi-perimeter, yes. So therefore, the first statement is true. Regarding the second statement, cot a by 2 is equal to b plus c by 2 implies cos a by 2 by sin a by 2 is equal to 2r sin b plus c by 2 into cos b minus c by 2. That implies 2 sin a by 2 into cos b minus c by 2 is equal to 1. So that is 2 cos b plus c by 2 into cos b minus c by 2 is equal to 1, because a by 2 is 90 minus of b plus c by 2. So that indicates cot b plus cot c is equal to cos b plus cos c is equal to 1. If b is equal to 90 degrees, then c is equal to 0. Cos b plus cos c is equal to 1. If b is 90 degrees, cos b is b is 90 degrees, cos b is 0, and cos c is equal to 1, which indicates that c is equal to 0. So which is impossible, because in a triangle, two angles cannot be zeros. So therefore, 2 is false. 2 is false. What is 2? Actually, in triangle ABC, cot a by 2 is equal to b plus c by 2 implies b is equal to 90 degrees. That statement is false. So therefore, statement number 1 is true, statement number 2 is false. So the correct option is option number 2. In a triangle, if small r1 is equal to 2 into small r2 is equal to 3 into small r3, then a by b plus b by c plus c by a is equal to 1 75 by 60, 2 155 by 60, 3 176 by 60, and 4 191 by 60. Answer 2008, that is. Now you know that delta 1 is equal to s minus a, delta 2 is equal to r1 is equal to delta by s minus 1, s minus a, r2 is delta by s minus b, and r3 is delta by s minus c. Now using those formula, and we get that s minus a is equal to s minus b, s minus each is equal to some k, then s minus a is equal to k, s minus b is equal to 2k, s minus c is equal to 3k. So that means because r1 is equal to r2 is equal to 3r3. So that indicates 3s minus of a plus b plus c is equal to 6k or S is equal to 6k, because S means 2s, A plus B plus C means 2s. So therefore, 3k is equal to 2s minus of A plus B, which is 2s minus of A plus B, which is C. And similarly, 5k is equal to 2s minus of B plus C, which is A. And 4k is equal to 2s minus of C plus A, which is equal to B. So therefore, A by B plus B by C plus C by A is 5 by 4 plus 4 by 3 plus 3 by 5. If you simplify it, the answer is you will get the fraction 171 by 191 by 60. 191 by 60. Just to add, because the LCM is 60. So the correct option is option number 4. From top of a hill, h meters length, height, the angles of depression of the top and the bottom of the pillar are alpha and beta. So alpha and beta respectively. So then the height of the pillar in meters, of course, in meters is so and so is given options. Now you can take that is AB is equal to H and CD is equal to hill. CD is equal to X is equal to pillar. CD is equal to X is equal to pillar. So BCDE is a square. So therefore BCDE is a square, and so that CD is equal to DE and EB is equal to EB is equal to BC. Suppose each is equal to X. The side of the square is equal to X, say. So then AE is equal to H minus X. Please see. AE is equal to H minus X, because AB is equal to H and B is equal to X. So AE is equal to H minus X. And now from triangle ABC, tan B is equal to H by X. So reference number 1. Also from triangle AED, tan alpha is equal to AE by ED, which is H minus X by X. So therefore, H minus X is equal to X tan alpha, which is equal to tan alpha into H by tan beta. So therefore, H minus H by tan alpha by tan beta is equal to X. So therefore, X is equal to H into tan beta minus tan alpha by tan beta. So what he asked is, see, that is the required, that is pillar. Okay. So the correct option is answer number 1. Option number 1 itself. 65. If two angles of a triangle ABC are 45 and 60 degrees, then the ratio of the smallest and the greatest sides are root 2 minus 1 is to 1 and root 3 is to 2 and 1 is to root 3 and root 3 minus 1. Answer 2007. Angles of the triangle are 75, 60 and 45. The third angle is, if you know three angles, two angles, then you know the third angle. 45, 60. So third angle is 75. So BC is the largest, and you know that in any triangle, the side opposite to the largest angle is greater than the side opposite to the smallest angle. So therefore, BC is the largest side and AC is the smallest side. BC is the largest side and AC is the smallest side. By sine rule, you can say that A by sine 75, if you see the diagram, is equal to 4 by sine 44, B by sine 45. So therefore, A by B is equal to sine 75 by sine 45. And that is, if you see, that is root 3 plus 1 by 2. It is root 3 plus 1 by 2. So therefore, x is equal to 2 is to, the ratio is 2 is to root 3 minus 1, 3 minus 1 by root 3 minus 1. So which gives you that the answer is root 3 minus 1 is to 1. So the correct option is option number 1. See, here we are giving you idea how to attack, but simplifications you have to do. Unless you practice simplifications, you cannot do more questions in the examination, that is entrance test. So always you have to do the simplifications, then only you will get the speed. Right. 66. In triangle ABC, consider the following two statements. Number 1, R1, R2, R3 is equal to delta. Number 2, R1, R2 plus R2, R3 plus R3, R1 is equal to S square. Now again the options are both 1 and 2 are true. 1 is true, 2 is false. 1 is false, 2 is true. And both 1 and 2 are false. This is also asked in EAPCET 2007. So now you know that R1, because you know that R is equal to delta by S, R1 is delta by S minus A, R2 is delta by S minus B, R3 is delta by S minus C. So therefore, R1, R2, R3 is, you will get delta to the power of 4 by delta square. Delta to the power of 4 by delta square, which is equal to delta square. So 1 is true. And R1, R2 me by S minus, R1, R2 you will calculate. R1 is S minus A, R2 is S minus B. So R1, R2 is delta square by S minus A into S minus B. Similarly, R2, R3 is delta square by S minus B into S minus C. And R3, R1 is delta square by S minus C into S minus A. So when you add, that is delta square into S minus C plus S minus A plus S minus B. That is 3S minus 2S into S. So which is nothing but S square. So 2 is also true. 2 is also true. So therefore, the correct option is number 1. First option is correct. In triangle ABC, A plus B plus C into tan A by 2 plus tan B by 2 is equal to, so you are given that 1, 2A cot C by 2, next 2, 2A cot A by 2, 3, 2B cot B by 2, 4, tan C by 2. Of course, this is also given in EAPCET examination. Now, the given hypothesis, that is A plus B plus into tan A by tan B by 2 is equal to A plus B by is 2S, 2 small s perimeter, into tan A by 2 plus tan B by 2. Now, substituting tan A by 2 is square root of S minus B into S minus C into S minus A, and tan B by 2 is equal to square root of S minus C into S minus A into S minus C by S into S minus B. You will get that we have 2 into, we have the given one is equal to 2 into square root of S into S minus A into the, of course, by taking common S minus B plus S minus A by root over S minus B, S minus C into S minus A into S minus B. So that is nothing but 2C into, please see, 2S minus A minus B, which is nothing but C. So 2C into square root of S into S minus A, S minus C by S minus A into S minus B, which is nothing but cot A by 2. The square root of S into S minus C by S minus A into S minus B, nothing but cot C by 2. So that is 2C cot C by 2. So the answer is option number 1. And here I have given you note. In triangle ABC, A plus B plus C into tan A by 2 plus tan B by 2 is equal to same. The problem. Here I have, the note is, you can use also S tan A by 2 is equal to R1 is equal to delta by S minus A. S tan B by 2 is equal to R2 is equal to delta by S minus B. And S tan C by 2 is equal to R3 is equal to delta by S minus C. You can also use this formula to prove to get the answer. Okay. 68. The angles of observation, the angles of elevation of an object from a point P, see the diagram, on the level ground is alpha. Moving d meters on the ground towards the object, the angle of elevation is beta. Then the height in meters of the object. So here from position number P, he moves towards the object. So that point you take it as a Q, and angle AQB is equal to beta, and by angle QPA is equal to alpha, and the height of the object is, that is the AQ. Right. Now you can see that cot alpha from the triangle, cot alpha is, you can write PA by AQ. PA by AQ implies PA is equal to AB cot alpha. Similarly, cot beta is equal to AQ by AQ. That is AQ by AP. So that is nothing but AQ by AQ. So which is nothing but that indicates AQ is equal to AB cot beta. Just see the diagram, you can get it. And now D is equal to PQ you are given. The distance between the 2 points is D meters. D is equal to PQ, which is AP minus AQ, which is nothing but if you substitute the values of AP and AQ, then that is equal to AB into cot alpha minus cot beta, or that is D by cot alpha. AB is equal to D by cot alpha minus cot beta. So correct option is option number 3, D by cot alpha minus cot beta. 69. In triangle ABC, if B plus C is equal to 3A, then cot A by 2, cot B by 2, cot C by 2 is equal to 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 4, 4, 2. Now B plus C is equal to 3A implies sin B plus sin C is equal to 3 sin A. Now substitute, now simplify using sin B plus sin C is 2 sin B plus C by 2 into cos B minus C by 2. So that is 2 sin B plus C by 2 into cos B minus C by 2 is equal to 3 into 2 sin A by 2 cos A by 2. So here sin B plus C by 2 is cos A by 2. So both sides cos A by 2 will cancel. So that is cos B minus C by 2 is equal to 3 sin A by 2, which is 3 cos B plus C by 2. So therefore cos A by 2, cos B by 2, cos C by 2 plus sin B by 2, sin C by 2 is equal to 3 times cos B by 2, cos C by 2 minus sin B by 2, sin C by 2. Now sines, all the sines to the left side, all the cosines are to the right side. Then you will get 2 is equal to cot B by 2, cot C by 2. So cot B by 2, cot C by 2 is 2. So the correct option is option number 4. 70. In triangle ABC, if tan A by 2 is equal to 5 by 6 and tan C by 2 is 2 by 5, then ABC are such that 1 B square is equal to CA, 2 B is equal to C plus A, 3 2CA is equal to B into A plus C, 4 A plus B is equal to 0. That means A plus B is equal to C. Okay, right. Now by hypothesis, what you are having is tan A by 2 into tan B by 2. Okay, tan A by 2, tan C by 2 is 5 by 6 into 2 by 5, which is equal to 1 by 3. So now use the formula tan A by 2, tan B by 2 in terms of, that means square root of S minus A into S minus B by S into S minus C. That formula, if you use, then you get square root of S minus B into B S minus C by S into S minus A into tan C by 2, square root of S minus B into S minus A by S into S minus C is equal to 1 by 3. So if you simplify it, that means the common terms will cancel. So S minus B by S is equal to 1 by 3, or 3S minus 3B is equal to S. 2S is equal to 3B. 2S means A plus B plus C. But here 3B, 1B will cancel. So C plus A is equal to 2B. So that means those sides are in arithmetic progression. But what you asked is relation between the sides. So 2B is equal to C plus A. So correct option is option number 2. 71. In triangle ABC, A into cos square B plus cos square C plus cos A into C cos C plus B cos B is equal to number 1 A, 2 B, 3 C, 4 A plus B plus C. So given A is equal to cos B into A cos B plus B cos A plus cos C into A cos A plus C cos A plus A cos C. So which is nothing but C cos B plus A B cos C, which is nothing but small c, small a. So correct option is 1, option number 1. See, you know how you got it? That C cos B plus A cos B into A cos B plus B cos A. Projection formula. A cos B plus B cos C is nothing but small c. Like similarly, C cos A plus A cos C is small b. So that's why the given expression is equal to C cos B plus B cos C, which is equal to small a. Okay. In triangle ABC, sigma B plus C tan A by 2 tan B minus C by 2 is equal to 1A, 2B, 3C, 4, 0. B plus C into tan A by 2 tan B minus C by 2 is B plus C into tan A by 2 into tan B minus C by 2 is, you know the Napier rule or tangent formula. Napier rule is nothing but in any triangle, tan A minus B by 2, tan of A minus B by 2 is equal to small a minus small b by small a plus small b into cot C by 2. So using Napier rule, so then B plus C into tan A by 2 into B minus C by B plus into cot A by 2. So that is equal to, so therefore B plus C tan A sigma tan A by 2 tan B minus C by 2 is equal to B minus C plus C minus A plus A minus B. So which is 0. So correct option is option number 4. 73. In triangle ABC, B plus 2C plus 3A whole by 2 plus cos A minus B by 2 is equal to 1 minus 1, 2, 0, 3, 1 and 4, 2. Now given one is equal to 2 cos 2C plus 4A by 4 into cos 2B plus 2C plus 2A by 4. Why? Because in triangle ABC, A plus B plus is equal to 90 degrees. And okay, so by using that one, so this is again cos of 2 cos C plus 2A by 2 into cos 90 degrees. This is cos 90 because 2B plus 2C plus 2A by 4 means 180. 360 by 4. 360 by 4 means 90 degrees. So the answer is 0. So correct option is 2, 74. In triangle ABC, R3 is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R, and then angle A plus angle B is equal to 1, 120 degrees, 2, 100 degrees, 3, 90 degrees, 4, 80 degrees. Now you know that by hypothesis, R1 plus R2 is equal to R3 minus R. And so if you use delta by S minus A, etc., delta by S minus A plus delta by S minus B is equal to delta by S minus C minus delta by C, S. So now if you simplify it, then what you get is S square, S minus A into S minus B is equal to S into S minus C. So there is S square minus S into A plus B plus AB is equal to S square minus SC. So that means S square cancel. Minus S into A plus B plus AB is equal to minus SC. But minus S into A plus B, you can write as A plus B A plus B minus C plus 2C, you can write it as plus A plus B minus, you can write as A plus B plus C minus 2C. That indicates that S into 2S minus 2C is equal to AB. And 2S into S minus C is equal to AB. So it indicates that 2S into S minus C by AB is equal to 1. So 2 cos square C by 2 is equal to 1. That is 1 plus cos C is equal to 1. So cos C is 0. So C is equal to 90 degrees. C is equal to 90 degrees. When C is 90 degrees, the other angle A plus angle B is also 90. So therefore, angle A plus angle B is equal to 90. See, in all these regular properties of triangles, sometimes we write A plus B minus C as 2S minus 2C. By adding C and subtracting C, 2S minus 2C. In triangle ABC, a minus b whole square cos square c by 2 plus a plus b whole square sin square c by 2 is equal to 1 a square, 2 c square, 3 b square, 4 a square plus b square. Now the given expression equation is a minus b whole square cos square c by 2 is 1 plus cos c by 2 plus a plus b whole square into 1 minus cos c by 2. So that is equal to half of a minus b whole square plus a plus b whole square plus half of a minus b whole square minus a minus b whole square, a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square into cos c. Half of a minus b whole square minus a minus b whole square into cos c. So this is a square plus b square, because plus 2ab minus 2ab will cancel, minus here 2ab cos c. That half of a minus b whole square minus a minus b whole square is nothing but a and b will a square b square cancel, so we will get 2ab minus 2ab cos c, which is nothing but by cosine rule, which is nothing but c square. Namely, the answer is option number 2. In triangle ABC, the correct formula among the following are: small r is equal to 4r sin a by 2 sin b by 2 sin c by 2, 2 r1 is equal to s minus a tan a by 2, 3 r3 is equal to delta by a. And you know that the options are only 1 and 2 are true, only 2 and 3 are true, only 1 and 3 are true, and all are true. All are true. So, 2, 3, only 1 and 3. And you know that first one, r is equal to small r is 4r sin a by 2 sin b by 2 sin c by 2 is small r, which is a standard formula, will be derived in your intermediate textbook. And r1 is also s minus a tan a by 2, that is also derived. But r3 is, you know that delta by s minus c. R3 is delta by s minus c. So the correct among them is only 1 and 3. Only third one is, what the following are only 2 and 3. The correct formula only 2 and 3, only 1, 2, 1 and 3, and R1 is equal to R1 is S tan A by 2. R1 is simply S tan A by 2, and R2 is S tan B by 2, and R3 is S tan C by 2. So therefore 1 and 3 are correct, 2 is not correct. So therefore correct option is option number 3. What is 3? Only 1 and 3. In triangle ABC, if small r plus 2 capital R is equal to R1, then angle A is equal to 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees. Now 2 capital R is equal to R1 minus R, and that is equal to, you write the formula for R1, 4R sin A by 2 cos B by 2 cos C by 2. So, and for R, 4R sin A by 2 sin B by 2 sin C by 2. So that is equal to 4R, 4 capital sin A by 2 into cos B by 2 cos C by 2 minus sin B by 2 sin C by 2. So therefore, half is equal to sin A by 2 cos B plus C by 2, that is sin square A by 2. So sin A by 2 is 1 by root 2. So delta by 2 is equal to A by 2 is equal to 45 degrees. So A is equal to 90. So correct option is option number 4, 78. In triangle ABC, if A is to B is to C is equal to 4 is to 5 is to 6, and capital R is to small r is, then capital R is to small r is 1, 7 is to 5, 2, 9 is to 5, 3, 12 is to 7, and 4, 16 is to 7. Now capital R by small r, you know that ABC by 4 delta, capital R is ABC by 4 delta, and small r is delta by s. So there is ABC by 4 delta into s by delta. There is ABC s into 4s into 4 delta square, is not it? You will get delta square. So 4s into s minus c into s minus b into s minus c. So that is 120 by 1s will cancel. 120 by 4 into 15 by 2 minus 4, 15 by 2 minus 5, 15 by 2 minus 6. because a plus b plus c is 15. 4 plus 5 plus 6, 15. So 2s. That s is 15 by 2. So s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. So if you simplify it, then the correct answer is, you will get, substituting and simplifying, you will get correct answer is 16 by 7. That is option number 4. 79. In triangle ABC, if x is equal to tan b minus c by 2 into tan a by 2, y is equal to tan c minus a by 2, of course tan c minus, and y is equal to tan c minus a by 2, tan b by 2, and z is equal to tan a minus b by 2 into tan c by 2. So here tan b by 2 is not printed, it's not scanned. So that is, of course, by symmetry one can observe. So then x plus y plus z is equal to 1, 0, 2 minus xyz, 3, 2xyz, and 4, 3xyz. See, this is a problem which is asked in 1994 Indian Maths Olympiad final. Of course, I have not mentioned here, but I could remember very well. 1994 Indian National Maths Olympiad. Now you take x is equal to b minus c by b plus into cot a by 2 and tan a by 2. Is not? So that is small b minus small c by b plus c. So using component dividend, x plus 1 by x minus 1 is equal to 2b by minus 2a, or 1 plus x by 1 minus x is equal to b by c. Similarly, 1 plus y by 1 minus y is equal to b by a, and 1 plus z by 1 minus z is equal to a by b. Now when you multiply, see, when you multiply all these, 1 plus x by 1 minus x into 1 plus y by 1 minus y into 1 plus z by 1 minus z, you will get is equal to 1, which shows that 1 plus x into 1 plus y into 1 plus z is equal to 1 minus x into 1 minus y into 1 minus z. So if you simplify it both sides, you will get x plus y plus z is equal to minus x y z. So the answer is on option number 2. Now problem number 80. See, in EAPCET, matching problems are also asked, they are asking. So here the matching problem, this is column 1 and column 2 are given. In column 1 some statements and column 2 another one. So you have to match the items of column 1 with the items of column 2, right? And the matchings are also given as options, and out of which you have to select the correct option. So A, R1 R2 is equal to R2 R3. B, R1 plus R2 is equal to R3 minus R. And C are given that 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 is equal to 1 by R3. And D, the distance between the orthocenter and the vertex A of a triangle. And column 2, angle A is 90, angle C is 90, 2R cos A, and S 1 by capital R, and T 1 by small r. Now, except D, you can see we have already seen all these three, that because we know we can substitute the values of R is equal to delta by S, R1 is equal to delta by S minus C, R2 is equal to delta by S minus B, R3 is equal to delta by S minus C. Only new thing is D. For D, you can see that is, you see the diagram. P is the orthocenter, and cos of angle PAC is equal to EA by AP. If you see the triangle APE. So that means AP is equal to EA by cos 90 minus C, because the triangle ACD, angle D is 90. So angle that is equal to EA by cos 90 minus C, or AB by sin C into cos A, or that is simply 2R cos A. 2R cos A. Please remember that the distance of the orthocenter from the vertices are respectively 2R cos A and 2R cos B and 2R cos C. From the sides, R cos A, R cos B, and R cos C. Because in the next topic we will use that the distance of orthocenter from the vertex is double the distance of the orthocenter from the side. Right, so the correct option is option number 1. A goes to P, B goes to Q, C goes to T, and D goes to R. 81. In triangle ABC, angle A is equal to 120 degrees. Let D, E and F be the points of intersection of the internal angle bisectors with the opposite sides. Then triangle DEF is 1. Right angled, 2. Isosceles, 3. Right angled isosceles, 4. Equilateral. So this is a very good problem. Generally this problem it won't require any properties of triangle. It requires only geometry, elementary geometry. Right. So by hypothesis, angle BAC is equal to 120 degrees. The external angle bisector is 60 degrees since AD is the internal bisector of the angle A. So at A 120 degrees, so external angle at A is 60 degrees. So that angle is simply 60 degrees. So what you can see is, we can observe that, see the figure, that this side AC is the external bisector of the angle of triangle ADB at A. Because see, in the triangle, if you see that is 60, 60, 60, 60. So AC is the external bisector of angle at A of triangle ADE. Hence, DE is the external bisector of angle ABC. External bisector of the bisector of angle C. Don't see. Please go back. So the side AC, external bisector. So the AC is the external bisector. So therefore, E is the equation. E is the external excenter of triangle ABD. E is the excenter of triangle ABD opposite the vertex B. Similarly, you can get F is the excenter opposite the vertex ACD. That is hence DE is the external bisector of the angle ABC. So suppose CDE is equal to alpha. Now similarly DF is the bisector of angle ADB. Angle ADB. Suppose angle BDF is equal to beta. Now 2 into alpha plus beta C I have indicated is 180 degrees, or alpha plus beta is equal to 90 degrees. So that means angle EDF is equal to 90 degrees. So triangle DEF is a right angled triangle. Next, 82. In triangle ABC, sigma R1 by S minus B S minus C is equal to 1 4 by R, 2 1 by small r, 3 2 by small r, and 4 3 by small r. And you know that R1 by S minus B into S minus C is delta by S minus C into S minus B into S minus C. Multiple numerator denominator S. Then you get delta S by delta square, which is nothing but S by delta. So sigma R1 by S minus B into S minus C is equal to 3S by delta, which is 3 by R. So answer is option number 4. 33. In triangle ABC, 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. This is standard result, which is nothing but only 1 by R. So is equal to S by R, 2S by R, 3 1 by R, and 4 by R. Again, for R1, R2, R3, you use delta by S minus A, delta by S minus B, delta by S minus C. So then S minus A by delta plus S minus B by delta plus S minus C by delta, which is S by delta, namely that is equal to 1 by R. Correct option is option number 3. So in triangle ABC, 1 by BC plus 1 by CA plus 1 by AB is equal to 1 by capital R small r, 2 by capital R small r, 3 by 2 capital R small r, and 4 1 by 2 into capital R plus small r. Okay. So 1 by BC plus 1 by CA plus 1 by AB is equal to A plus B plus C by ABC. That's 2S by ABC. 2S, 2 into delta by R by 4R, 4 capital R delta. Delta will cancel. 1 by 2 capital R small r. So correct option is option number 3. So we continue some more problems, roughly 30 problems in the next hour. So that in total we will cover almost 116 to 118 problems.